Hello, kapango. Dahil birthday ni ate, bumili kami ng cake. Bigay ni amo to. Si-celebrate natin yung birthday. Let's go! Sabay-sabay natin siyang awitan ng pambansang awit. Joke. Joke lang. Wait lang. Surprise lang natin. Ate! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! The gorilla is you!
Wow, thank you! Thank you, Shell.
Kanino ka kinikilig niyan?
Happy birthday! Tingnan mo yung pangalan ko, babe. May pangalan. Oh.
Pinalagyan ko talaga yan. Lalagyan ko kasala ng buong pangalan mo eh.
Thank you. Thank you sa mag-wish ako.
Wish ka na, dali.
Yay! Happy
More
birthday
followers.
to me. More followers and more blessings. Thank you. Picture tayo.